Vanessa, I just want to talk. V, I know you're here. Your car's in the driveway.
What?
Listen, I can explain.
Explain what?
I can explain everything. Please just let me in.
No! You're staying out there.
V, you're being unreasonable. Why are you acting like this?
Because you're an asshole?
For what?
Don't play dumb now, Lars.
Dumb? What are you talking about?
What do you mean, what am I talking about? You lied to me!
Lied to you about what? What? What are you talking about this time? What?
Unbelievable. You know, I actually trusted you, Lars.
How can you throw us away? I don't know what you heard. I don't know who you're talking to, but if you let me explain, you'll understand that none of that is true.
God! You always do this. You deny and you deny instead of just admitting that you fucked up.
I don't even know what I did. I'm sorry.
I want to know the truth.
Oh my God.
Do you not realize how insane that sounds, Lars?
You're supposed to trust me, V.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to trust you.
I'm not doing this anymore.
Fine. Go ahead, Lars. Run away.
I'll see you tomorrow.